Welcome, welcome. We're just going to have a little bit of fun. The new fall patterns are out, and tomorrow is the last day for the pre-sale. That's Friday. And in the 4 patterns, we're going to show you kind of a viewing of these 4. The ones on the both ends have additional things in them. So one of them has a scarf and one of them has a wrap. Because scarves and wraps are just really, really popular. I've done many over the years, but these were odd shapes and they were difficult to give measurements for, especially the wrap. And so I wanted to give you a pattern. So pattern number 126, which is the peekaboo cowl, has a scarf in it. And then the 3426, which is the sack slim pant, has a wrap. So I want to show you both of them and just show you how much fun they can be. Now we do have a class, you know, as we go through these patterns, I have a class option for you. And we show a lot of fun stuff in this class, but I still wanted to show you this little wrap. We're going to start with the wrap. Okay, so first off, I want you to understand that the way it's cut, and one trend that's really strong this year is the wrap and the jacket are matching. So that's when I got the idea. Okay, well, I've got my jacket already made. I'll just do my wrap matching. I don't have a mirror, so I don't know if this is straight. But anyway, the front, the way it is, it cascades and it falls. It has a little biased fall to it. So it's really beautiful in how it falls. Just down the front, it's lovely. It'll automatically happen the way you lay it out on the fabric. But then another way, now this wrap, I saw it at 3 different designers. I saw it at Lafayette 148, I saw it at Acris, same shaping, very, very similar. And then I saw it at Gucci. All right, so the other way is this comes up, and then this part here goes over the shoulder. And of course you could wear a really pretty pin here or a necklace or whatever. And then the third way is it actually comes, this part hangs down to the back, and then this part comes around. This is all in your pattern, just FYI. But anyway, this side comes, and I don't have a mirror, so I may be doing this really messed up, but this part comes up and over this way. So it makes a little bit of a gather here, and then this part comes over. Okay? Okay, the next thing I want to show you, so that's the wrap. 3 different ways to wear the wrap. And we can look at this photo for a minute and you can see where these are the 3 ways. You can see that one was in the front, one was kind of just open, and then one was, you can see that the long part hangs down and it wraps around. I don't think I got this right. But anyway, like I said, it shows in the directions. All right, then what I want to show you is, oh, and I'm sorry, the fabric I use, the red, is 8414. And it's a double wool faced. It's beautiful. Like, you don't even have to finish the edges on this. It's just really, really beautiful. All right, so then the next thing that I want to show you is the scarf, and that's in pattern 126. And so you can see as we look at these pictures, if we go from left to right, the left one is longer. And so I made it a little bit bigger. And again, I actually showed you how to make it bigger in the pattern. So you can wear it like this, but also so you can just tuck it in. Now this is silk, so it's really lightweight. You can tuck it inside and it just makes for a beautiful, beautiful scarf. Okay, that's an option. And again, same fabric, obviously. Oh, the fabric, I'm sorry, the fabric was 8435 in this one, 8435. But also what's cool is, like, this is a silk. You can turn it around, this longer one, and you can wear it over your shoulders. Is that cool? I mean, you really just can. There's so many fun things you can do with these. But then what I did is I made it out of a boucle, and this is the exact size in the pattern. There's 2 sizes, the smaller one, the larger one. But this is what I did in the pattern, and this is a sweater knit. It's 8447, and it's just perfect. It's just perfect under a jacket and a coat. Throw it on, just fun and easy, and what a great Christmas gift. Think about the holidays. And then the one all the way then on the right is done with fringing. Fringing is so popular right now for fall that you're going to see fringe all over the place. So to have a fringed little scarf like that, I think would be just adorable. And so that's it. I just wanted you to see all the variety of what we could do with these little pieces and why they were so important. The fall patterns are, if you buy 3, you get the 4th one free. Some of people are buying 3, don't do that. You get, I mean, it's like $2 more to get the 4th pattern. So anyway, buy 3, get the 4th free. Tomorrow's the last day. Get your scarves, get your wraps, and just have some fun. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.